Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export this as an audio only or just as an image. So for instance, you want like this part, you want to export as like an image, just select these three dots, export still frame, rename it, select the folder, select the resolution and the format. You can choose either PNG or JPEG, and you can even import it to your project. If I do that, it's going to be here, as you can see. You can also export it as an audio, so select export here. And then instead of selecting video exporting, just select export audio. You don't need to extract the audio. Once you selected that, it's just going to be in the MP3 format or the WAV or AAC or FLAC format. I don't know the rest, but you can just select between those four and select export. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.